Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking stuffed roast chicken with glutinous rice. So let's start cooking. We'll now prepare the marinade for the chicken. We will need 1 piece of spring onion, lightly smashed and tied in a knot like this. 1 piece of root of a cilantro, lightly smashed too. Put them inside your Ziploc bag. 4 pieces of garlic, smashed. 4 pieces of shallots, smashed, put it in. 2 tablespoons of Chinese rice wine, pour it in. 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of ginger juice. Half a teaspoon of sugar, as well as 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Mix this up together. And we add in our chicken now. Put our chicken in. This is approximately 1.2 kilo. One fresh chicken. Try to force out some of the air. And we'll seal the end. Massage this marinade into the chicken. Try to put the shallots, the cilantro and the onion into the cavity of the chicken. Now once this is done, we'll leave it in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours. Remember to remove them 1 hour before you bake them so that it will be cooked thoroughly. I'll see you back in a while. We'll now fry our stuffing for the chicken. Heat up a pan, add in a little bit of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit. Add in 3 small pieces of young ginger. Fry them around until they are a little bit brown. We want to flavor the oil with this beautiful ginger taste. We are frying this at medium heat. Once they have slightly browned, we'll add in our garlic. 2 cloves of garlic chopped. Stir fry them until you can smell the fragrance. This is done. Add in 160 grams of glutinous rice. I soaked the glutinous rice for approximately 3 hours. Add in 6 pieces of dried Chinese mushroom, which I've rehydrated and cut into small cubes like this. 60 grams of Chinese sausage, also cut into small cubes like this. Put it in. 60 grams of chestnut, or in Hokkien we call it gao lak. These are all the ready to eat type. It's easier. We now add in the seasoning. 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Half a teaspoon of dark soya sauce. You need some pepper too, a few dashes of pepper, white pepper. Mix them up well. And we'll add in also 160 milliliter of water. We'll fry them until slightly dry. I'll show you how they look like in a while. This is done, we just want it to be a little bit starchy like this. So we'll turn off the heat and let this cool down. We're going to prepare to stuff our chicken now. I have with me over here 2 pieces of lotus leaf, dried lotus leaf. You can get this from any dried grocery stores. Soak them for a few hours to make sure that they are soft and pliable. Lay the chicken down with the cavity facing this side or any side which you think is easier for you. Remove all the ingredients, the spring onion, the ginger, the shallots, everything from the chicken. The stuffing that we have, we'll just stuff them into the chicken now. Now, depending on the size of the chicken, sometimes the stuffing might be a little bit too much, but it's okay. No, we'll just try to stuff as much as we can. As for the rest, if you want, you can actually steam them. They taste very good on its own also. Continue stuffing the chicken with all these beautiful ingredients. Push it in. Once it's done, I'll show you. I've managed to put all the stuffing in. You need to use your hand to compress them a little. Do not worry that they will fall out because these are glutinous rice. They are kind of sticky, so no problem. We'll now wrap up the chicken. Put it aside. We're going to wrap this again in baking paper. Lay down 3 pieces of baking paper like this, one on top of the other, overlapping a little. The chicken with the breast, we'll put it down like this. And wrap it up like a parcel. In the meantime, please remember to heat up your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for at least 30 minutes. Pull this side up, secure them tightly like this. bake the chicken like this. Secure it a little bit tighter. Okay, we'll put this in the oven when the oven is heated up. We'll now put the chicken inside the oven. Just put it in. And we'll bake this for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. I'll see you back in a while. 40 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Let's open up the package. Smells really good now. Wow. I'm going to remove the chicken and I'm going to put it in the oven just to brown it up again. I'll see you back in a while. 20 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Oh, smells really, really great. Time to serve this. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Can't wait to try this. Take some of this glutinous rice. And I'll cut a piece of chicken too. Let me try the rice first. Very flavorful. Chicken now. Really, really very juicy. This is really good. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our dish. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.